There is no doubting it now. The crypto winter is here. Bitcoin is falling to lows even I thought weren't possible until down the road. Major projects are going under, and peak fear is in everyone's eyes. So how do you survive a crypto winter and bear market? We'll find out in just over 10 minutes because it's time for Chico Crypto. Yep, Bitcoin has gone full-on bearish. Pulling out the chart since 2017, we officially fell all the way back to the old all-time high of 20K set in December of 2017. And all of 2021's gains have been completely wiped out. What's interesting about this is minor capitulation hasn't even occurred yet. Looking back to the 2018 bear market, the minor capitulation, aka steep drop in hash rate as miners dropped out, didn't come until November of 2018, with the hash rate bottom coming the next month. This was a full year after the all-time high of BTC in 2017, and when Bitcoin finally dipped to 3K. As we can see from the hash rate today, it's just been climbing and climbing, even with the falling prices. There hasn't been a minor capitulation for this crypto winter and bear cycle, which makes me think that we haven't hit our bottom yet. We are in for more cold crypto weather, which equals more price pain. So the big question is, how do you survive this and what's to come? Well, like I've been saying since I confirmed this was a full-on bear market, these are blessings in disguise. They give those who stick around the opportunity to accumulate at prices people dream of in a bull market. So my number one advice in these markets, you gotta have income and some disposable income so you can start accumulating at the low and bottom prices. Now I'm sure many of you who watch my channel have jobs, so keep that going. But if that job isn't providing you enough freedom to invest, then quit the job and go full-time in crypto.
I told Bill that if they move my desk one more time, then I'm quitting. I'm going to quit.
If you couldn't tell, that was a joke. But in reality, if you need more money to invest, create a side hustle, which can supplement your income, giving you that boost in investment. Now, I'm not going to tell you exactly what to do for a side hustle, as there are many options out there. You could become a picker, yard sailing and reselling the stuff online. You could pick up a part-time job as a bartender or waiter, or you could learn affiliate marketing. But I do want to go deeper into the side hustle options within the crypto industry. Now, trying to find a coin that pumps 100x in a bear market isn't going to happen, although there will be upwards and downwards movements in coins on the daily. A bear market is the perfect time to learn day trading or short-term trading, capitalizing on the daily movements of coins or even stonks, equities, precious metals, and more. Now, everyone should know I'm not a technical analyst. I'm a fundamental analyst. Although I do realize that there is value in TA, it's just not for me, but it might be for you. So where do you learn this TA? Well, you do not buy one of those trading courses from YouTubers who offer them. One of my mottos is the best information in cryptocurrency will always be free. So look for YouTubers who are offering their content for free or mostly free and have a good record of winning trades doing live trading. One I can recommend for this is CryptoFace. CryptoFace is unique in that he trades with large positions on live streams. So he's one of the best TA YouTubers to follow for crypto if you want proof of someone that is really good at trading and not just LARPing around by only showing you their wins. Sometimes he gets stopped out, and in trading, especially in the short term, that is going to happen. So once you have researched TA, you have found strategies you think could win, it's time to test them out with fake money before trying it in the real world. Now, most large exchanges give you the opportunity to do this. Binance has a spot test network. BTSE has a good spot test net. Kraken has a good futures test net. And if you're looking to trade outside of the world of crypto, Pocket Option has a demo account letting you trade currencies, a few cryptos, commodities, stocks, and indices. But what if the stress of trading isn't for you, like myself? Well, there is always the option of going the humble route and becoming your everyday farmer.
Patrick, do you think I put that hay bale there for you? You are sadly mistaken, and you clearly have a much higher opinion of your standing in this place. Get away from it!
No, not farming in the literal sense like growing crops, but yield farming with cryptocurrency, as there is still yield to be earned on crypto assets even in a bear market. Now, I know with Celsius going under, many people are weary of locking up their crypto assets and platforms, and even staying in stablecoins. Well, for one, Celsius was an entirely centralized, irresponsible organization, and there are solid stablecoins like DAI and USDC. And there are responsible, decentralized organizations still providing pretty decent returns on stables, like Centrifuge, which is providing real-world assets and companies quick financing with DAI in return for a higher payback, which is distributed to the token holders. As we can see from their 10-leg D app, the APYs over 30 days are pretty dang high, even up to 10.77% for the senior lower risk investment in their emerging consumer loans pool. But clicking into that one, the junior higher risk investors are earning nearly 50% APY over 90 days on their DAI for participating in this pool. But what about USDC? Well, they have the RWA pool built in collaboration with Aave, where you can earn yield on USDC too. And clicking into that, you can earn 2.28% APR on your USDC, but you also get a bonus of CFG rewards, an extra 10.22% APR. There are other options out there too, but they won't give you as high of rewards. There is Compound, Aave, and a few others, as well as options on Ethereum layer 2s like Arbitrum and Optimism. I'm not a pro farmer, I just understand there is ways to earn some good gains while doing this farming in a bear market. If you would like to learn more about yield farming, check out a channel that focuses solely on it, like Taike Maeda, who farms across chains and layer 2s. But what about having fun playing games while earning a side income to put into these crypto markets at these rock bottom prices? Well, I'm going to get into that and more after I cover this play to earn game, Farsite, which could provide those much needed gains during this bear. And like always, the full details of our arrangement can be found in the description. Mark your calendars for July 7th for the official alpha release of Farsite, the world's first real-time strategy decentralized MMO play-to-earn game. And with over 500,000 already registered players, the anticipation could not be any greater. The team behind the game is Supernova, gaming experts and the visionaries behind one of blockchain's first games, Mega Cryptopolis. They've been developing the Farsite universe for the last 3 years, building out the community and lore, and launching the currently playable pre-alpha version of Farsite 6 months ago. But the time has come for real gameplay strategy, real earnings, and new adventures. Let's take a closer look at the game, its assets, and the exciting announcements rolling out over the next couple of weeks. Farsite is set in a universe populated by spaceships and planetary bases, in which players can take on a number of roles, ranging from explorer, merchant, miner, politician, and more. Players can mine, process, transport, and sell resources and items, also explore planets and constellations, and complete missions to earn credits, an ERC-20 token, and the internal game currency. Farsite is built on Polygon, ready for ETH 2.0, and all in-game actions are recorded using ZK relays. All the assets in the Farsite universe are created, owned, and controlled by the players, running in a trustless environment. The main asset in the game are the spaceships, upgradable through modules, and there are no two alike. These ships are needed to play the game to explore distant galaxies, obtain and transport resources, and to battle enemies. And ships are not your average NFT. Farsite brings in a new era of token standards, merging NFTs and DeFi into one by adding intrinsic value to your NFTs through what they call CNFTs, or collateral NFTs. NFTs infused with credits, ERC20 tokens with real value. Last December, Farsite pre-launched with the sale of crates containing unique CNFT spaceships alongside 50 exclusive CoinDesk branded ships, selling out in just a few hours. These ships can be purchased on the secondary market on OpenSea or in the internal Farsite open market. But with a strong desire from the community for more crates, the team is releasing a new alpha crate sale in just a few days, June 21st, in anticipation of the alpha game release on July 7th. New users can buy and open an alpha crate to receive CNFT ships, valuable game items, credits, blueprints, modules, and more. Farsite also recently launched a new scholarship program called the Pilot Academy, a truly win-win scenario for Farsite ship owners and for newcomers interested in playing the game and earning but don't have the capital to start. Any player who owns multiple ships can start their own academy and will receive 5% of the ETH spent by their scholars, as well as up to 70% of the credits earned by renting out your spaceship to new pilots. Scholars can use these ships to start playing and earning, and will also receive valuable insights and mentorship from the academy owner so they can earn and build their own ships. And I'm opening up my own academy, the Chico Crypto Academy. So if any of you are interested, scholars out there, my academy will be open soon. With the alpha release only a few weeks away, the upcoming short-supplied alpha crate sale on June 21st is the best possible time for new users to stock up on ships and items to become pilots and join the scholarship program, so they can be in a position to start earning while playing. The Farsite universe has been long in development by a proven all-star team, and this project has received a lot of positive publicity. Don't miss your chance to become one of the earliest explorers in the Farsite universe. Visit the Farsite website and create an account. Follow them on Twitter, and be sure to join their Discord, where you can learn more about the upcoming Alpha Crate sale and new Pilot Academy scholarship program. Links to everything can be found in the description. And now back to more ways to earn in this bear market by just playing games. So I made a video about Moonsama Minecraft Carnage, where you hunt for resources in the Minecraft world, and those resources can be turned into crypto, aka Moon River, which has actual value. These Carnage events are only 2 hours, and they take place every Sunday, and if you are good, you can earn upwards of this much. Over $2,000 each week for just 2 hours of play. Not a bad side crypto hustle, I must say. Now, to play Carnage, you need to have a Moonsama NFT, which has a floor price of over 2,100 Moon River, which is over $30,000. But there is also another way to play with VIP tickets, which as we can see are currently going for 70 Moon River, which is only about $1,000. You can make that back in just a session or two of Carnage if you're good. So the investment, I would say, is worth it if you're ready to play, learn, and earn. Finally, there is another big play to earn game which is releasing during this bear market, and that is Alluvium, which will be the first AAA play to earn game to hit the crypto scenes. AAA? Well, Alluvium will be the first blockchain-based game to use Unreal Engine 5, which was just announced last week, which is getting noticed by some of the biggest in the gaming space. GameStop announced also last week that Alluvium NFTs would be supported by their coming NFT marketplace. The game is currently in private beta, but the public beta is slated for launch in the next 1 to 3 months, meaning anyone from the public will be able to get their hands on the game. So how will you be able to earn with Illuvium? Well, you will be able to explore the Illuvium open overworld, capturing and collecting alluvials, the beasts that inhabit this world. This can be incredibly lucrative, especially if a player manages to capture something rare and powerful, and the capture can be sold on marketplaces like GameStops. You can also mine and harvest in the world, collecting resources to create in-game items like armor and weapons, which are also NFTs and can be sold in marketplaces. But one of the coolest things is their battle arena, where players will choose to battle each other to prove who is the superior hunter and has the best team of alluvials. And players can specifically call out other players in ad hoc wagered matches in the Leviathan arena, where bets in Ethereum can be placed on the matches, even by spectators. How much can be earned is yet to be seen, but I think it'll be on a level not seen in the crypto space. Axie Infinity can eat Illuvium's shorts. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.